I wake up at 6 o'clock, and then after I get fresh. Around 6:30 I take my breakfast, and around 7 o'clock I go to my workplace. Hey, hello, hi guys, this is Shahid, and hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to English with Shahid YouTube channel, and this is Shahid, and as you know, and today I want to tell you about the thing which is very important, and if you are beginners it will help a lot to you. So the thing is about daily routine. So because daily routine is very precious if you are beginner, if you want to enhance your English skill, so you have to improve your daily routine. Speak your daily routine each and every day about your daily routine, and then you can see about the changing on yourself. So in this conversation, in this video, I would tell you about the daily routine, as well as you can understand about the present tense, because it is all about the present tense, and whichever we describe in daily routine, that is under in present tense. Okay, so this we can cover the both topic, okay, about the present tense and about daily routine. It will help you to speak yourself. Okay, you can understand. Even if you are not able to understand the grammar, when you speak your daily routine, then you can understand, okay, this is a present tense. Okay, daily activity, what we do in regular basis, that is the present tense, that is the daily routine. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it and like this video, and because you can get more content regarding to English. Okay, so here I go. So let me describe you my daily routine, then you can describe your daily routine, and this is how you can understand about daily routine. Okay, so this is Shahid, and I wake up at 6 o'clock, and then after I get fresh. Around 6:30 I take my breakfast, and around 7 o'clock I go to my workplace, and then after I start my work. Around 9 o'clock I go to the mess and I have my tea, and then after come back to my workplace and I start work. Around 1 o'clock I leave my workplace and I go to the mess and I take my lunch. Around 2 o'clock I go to my room and I take some rest and I get fresh, and then after around 3:30 I go to the gym. I exercise 1 hour. Around 4:30 I leave my gym, and then after I reach my room at around 5 o'clock. Then after I take a shower, then I take a snack, then after I talk some my friends. Around 8 o'clock I go to the mess and I take my dinner. Then I go for walk for 15 to half hour. Around 9 o'clock I talk to my family member. Around 10 o'clock I watch some English content video, and around 11 o'clock I sleep. So guys, this is my daily routine. It is very simple and easy. If you are beginner, so you have to start your daily routine about what you do each and every day. So it will help you a lot to you guys. Believe me, when I wanted to learn English language and when I started, I learned first daily routine, and then when I cover daily routine, then I go ahead in other thing, just like about what I did yesterday, what I will do tomorrow. So this step is ahead. First you have to work on your daily routine, and then after I will upload my video about daily what I did yesterday, that is past tense, and then after I will upload the future tense, what I will do tomorrow. So this will help you about your tenses. Your tenses will clear when you speak your daily routine, when you speak what you did yesterday, and when you speak about what you will do tomorrow. Okay, so what I spoke about my daily routine, I use present tense. So whenever you speak, you have to use first form. After the subject you have to use first form. Okay, so the formula is a present tense is like subject plus V1. So whenever we speak about daily routine, so we use present indefinite tense. Okay, so be remember guys. Okay, we use present indefinite tense. So if this video helped you little bit, so please like this video and subscribe my channel for further video. Okay, bye bye, have a good day guys.